Have you ever eaten Ofe Owerri before? Ofe Owerri and Ofe Nsala are like the most expensive Igbo soups. They cost between 3,000 naira to 6,000 naira on a local joint. Imagine how much it's going to cost on a classy restaurant. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. While in Owerri, I decided that before I leave, I must have a taste of Ofe Owerri. As a fan of food tourism, I believe that the best place to eat a food is the place that the food originates from. Ofe Owerri is one soup that you can hardly get anywhere else other than Owerri. I asked for a recommendation on Twitter for a nice place to eat Ofe Owerri, and people recommended Old English, Menu, Alexis Place, and Hungry Man. I and my friend, we drove to Old English, but unfortunately when we got there they said they don't have Ofe Owerri. It was already late, so we left. The next day my friend took me to this open place with different restaurants at New Owerri. He wanted us to eat at Delight Kitchen, but unfortunately the woman did not open that day, so we decided to go eat at Mama's Hot Pot. At first, I wasn't even sure if we are going to eat there, so I didn't even bother to make videos. And when we eventually decided to eat, I got carried away by the taste of the food that I stopped making videos. If you're ever in Owerri and decide to have a taste of nicely prepared soups, I recommend you visit Mama's Hot Pot at New Owerri. We had Ofe Owerri, Ofe Owerri, and Ofe Owerri.